Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the screen time. Of course, you have to give all of the permissions, and as you can see, we've been transferred to this dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, I've been using it for 52 minutes. Here you've got the dashboard for a total screen time, and here you've got the data for particular hours. You can set the daily screen time limit if you want to. Here you can also check how much time you spent on particular hours, how many times your device has been unblocked. You can check the day, of course, and the week. As you can see here, the same situation with the apps. What is more, we can turn it off here. As you can see, we can send some feedback, etc. Yeah, so basically that's all. This is how to check the screen time out in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.